Poppy is cultivated in 20 acres of areas in reserved forests on the Baruni Hills. BJP Manipur asks what the government has done for earthquake victims in None. One-day awareness campaign for developed, peaceful and self-reliant Manipur held at Mayang, IMPHAL. And cycles distributed to the minority students of Cairo Assembly constituency under multi-sector development program. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime News. I'm Janish Kasliwal and here we're getting you all the latest till this hour. Now, vast illegal plantation of poppy was found today near Khalong on the Baruni Hill. Under MLA Thaunao Jamsham Kumar, in an inspection of various sacred places located at Baruni Hill, came across the plantation in the reserved forests after clearing the forests by felling trees. MLA Sham Kumar asked if the government approved the plantation, as the government, in a reply to his question in the Manipur Assembly, said that there was no such plantation and the authority concerned has destroyed the plants.
Poppy plant thaba khakta natana khoi sida mahoksaagi fajaba khalsi loi thugaire u chok chok basi yanthlaga khoi sida mayai kaba drug poppy plant si khoi thadu le masi yam laibak thibani anu he nakan sida khoi sida lai basi khoi Manipur government gi dung nai landing gi sim police security force ni thami bi janu moi manak sida yam nangna simo poppy plant ma than ba si state government si gi sida puring khoi changnang tang yengaga afam masida umang haidalaga u yanthaleba umang sa kan forest department na krai de chakraba se thari myam singana poppy plant na government ya piraga thabra haibado adun so khoi sem do pa me khangjo pa me atak de khoi Manipur si aning ma patok to tawragadi ai gi isa sokta lore ai gi lam sokta lore ai gi yim sokta lore khanna aning ma hadala patha thaba umang yanthatpa kothokpa nung thugaiba degi toren thugaiba sing thugaiba umang yanthatpa si oragadi khoi Manipur si sei khagi matung da khoi Manipur si lairoi aduna.
BJP None local committee today organized a political conference at None Part 3. Leaders of 11 villages took part in the conference. Speaking at the meeting, BJP Manipur Pradesh State General Secretary Administration Moirangthem Ashni Kumar compared the present Congress government as a patient admitted in ICU who may expire whenever oxygen supply is stopped. Questioning what has the MPCC President and Deputy Chief Minister Gaikhangam, who is also the local MLA, done for the welfare of the farmers of the area. Ashni Kumar said how Gaikhangam has been elected from the constituency when he failed to provide PDS items to the people of None. He also asked what sort of concrete action has been taken up by the present government for the people of Kaboi Khulen affected by the January 4th earthquake.
Horticulture Department kanana pairi Sri Gaikhangam na paiba natra travel welfare ki tongan ba taben inclusive some plan gi makhada bhar ki constitution na piba madu ki schemes khanda kadai kadai sakre travel welfare minister se Manipur di chingi chief minister khangnei hiram khodi makta chakhot na bagi welfare ki paisa mayam am piba adu ngasi ama phabu yogde Sri Gaikhangam na 2002 dagi hauki ba mamang sahi kayama thengang kairak ta han kadana MLA minister kyarak oikhre 2002 dagi Sri Gaikhangam ngasi phawa MLA oibagi adumba local area development fund do adu white paper ma Tamelong prajada press amasung media gi thong khangan bi hade BJP ne demand tawri.
Now, one-day academic awareness campaign for developed, peaceful, prosperous and self-reliant Manipur was held today at Mayang, IMPHAL. The campaign was organized jointly by Manipur Students Association, Delhi Dynamos, Youth for Social Change and Development and All Mayang IMPHAL Muslims Youth Development Organization at Madrasa Mazhar Ululum at Bengun, Mayang, IMPHAL. Students of various schools and colleges in the constituency participated in the campaign. Speakers at the campaign emphasized the need to introduce a good education policy by the government to provide quality education to the students. They also stressed that the students must work hard with determination for a better future. An interaction was also held among the students, teachers of various colleges and editors of print and electronic media at the event.
Manipur ki Delhi the chalaga laik tamiba satra sing the problem and prospect aduga Manipur oiriba academic atmosphere oiriba fivum six the business motive school sing khalakpa then academic infrastructure matik channel laitaba then school sing mushroom growth pang link khalakpa aduga ikhogi syllabus ta isana isabu masa khangna self realization gi oiba criteria da award pa kaya lakpa khuding mak ase naina ba adu chingda amadi loyalam gi satra sing the thengnariba tonga problem sing matang naina bigidamta academic awareness program se sinjabane.
Newly elected office bearers of Democratic Students Alliance of Manipur, Desam, for the year 2016-18 were sworn in today. Marangthin Angamba, who was being re-elected Desam president, told Impact News that Desam will monitor whether all educational institutes in Manipur are functioning properly. He also said Desam will look into the problems of commercialization of education by some private institutes. He appealed to the private institutes to follow proper guidelines as some schools are functioning without playground, laboratory, among others. Lesemba Sanajaba administered the oath of office at Sana Konung. 81 members, including Muranthing Angamba as President, A. Anand as Vice President, and Y. Yaipaba as Secretary General, took the oath. The new office bearers of Desam were elected during a meeting held at Kuman Lampak on February 1st.
Business sector on Thorakpa, Marona Toning Batorpa, Aduka, private school in Kapamatamda, Tangai Patana, board Amadi Council Makada, recognition people Matam, the Sanga, the criteria Mayam Singadu, Laitana school in Kalibasingaduki Matakta, Sapsava, Yamna Akan Matrai Masataragani, Marona, school Likalaga ground Laitaba, school Linkalaga Equigi, teaching learning material Pazana Laitaba, Matik Zadaba, Ozamaya Mama, Lashanba, Suma Mayam Singasit, Tangai Patana, TET passed over Madi, qualified or Ozasing Tamak. School singda marona government amadi private animak oza o never yuwa akan bakongtha ama paikalagan.
Now 73 cycles were distributed today to the minority students of Kairao Assembly constituency in the phase 1 under multi-sector development program MSDP DC office. The distribution of cycles was organized by Kairao Kendra Development Committee at Kiamgai Thongmakong waiting shed. 600 cycles are yet to be distributed under the scheme. Speaking at the function, Kairao MLA Karam Thamarjit said the scheme is not only for Muslims or Christians. He said the scheme is meant for all the people living in the block. MLA Thamarjit advised the students to study hard and prepare for their final examination. He said students should not have the habit of studying at the last hour.
Guideline matungina MSDP hairaga only Muslim katang nada Christian katang pigitabani haibalaite. Satri mayamama khongna chatpa thenaba khong laga like tamba yauri tuition mata toroga su hek khudong chadaba si ure haraga tangai padana cycle sing si amamam piragadi angang sing si bahi tambadi kitang khudong chagadra haiduna koina first priority bibani any dharma khudimakta afaba hatani taise phatabama takti adu dharma dubu wrongly interpret toba atra handoba kanguna prithvi thugaina balakna damante laknari masi dharma amkata nate dharma khudimakni pariba parado atra kamaina handoke habdo adugi matungina koi chanabane.
Thongzu MLA Thongam Bishwajit was felicitated by Ani Suba Lanjao, the Sri Sri Govindaji Lingtha Biramba Ningsing Kumbam Seva Committee at Sri Sri Radha Madhav Mandap, Uchekon Laikol. Thongam Bishwajit said he could not continue his work for Sri Sri Radha Madhav Mandap and Memorial Park after his disqualification. He said he will try his best to make the place a beautiful tourist spot. Former chairperson of Manipur Women's Commission, Dr. Chungtham Jamini, said Manipur was a battlefield during the Second World War. She also said Sri Sri Radha Madhav Mandap has historical significance as the idol of Sri Sri Govinda was kept there during the war.
Honorable MLA, please be the ambassador. Adalaiba Sarkar da Haibi Oiba, Govinda Haiba si Mak Lengtar Mopam se, tourist center Moina Semper Pameva. Building Masam Saraga, Lalaga, Sidesida, me to hum Lairaga, library, Amal Lairaga, Aduna Teva, Yan Wanga, Tower of Sabioiba, Maduki Matakta, Mayam Katan Tanbioiba, Amadakiso, Madakim Buddha, Maduki Mangal, Kadaya no Tirexanoiba, Maduna Tourist Center, Moyan Seva, Laxanoiba, Madame Mapamdagi.
Now, admit cards of around 200 students who were transferred from CBSE to COSIM after approval by the council and are supposed to appear in this year's examination have not been given to the students. Speaking to media at the office of All Manipur Student Guardians Association, General Secretary of the Association, Secretary Saugarakpam Sumati said, career of the students can't be jeopardized by the situation, and she appealed to the council to allow them to sit in the examination. Sumati also added that allocation of examination center at Somorendra Sana Royal Higher Secondary School, where unwanted incident occurred due to the usage of unfair means in the last year 12th exams, is suspicious. Sumati also urged not to allocate exam center for this year at Paradise English School, Thaubal Okram, and Peace and Freedom Academy, Thaubal Saurarain, as there were cases of question leak in last year 10th examination. She also appealed for filling up of vacant post of Secretary of the Council as soon as possible.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯇ꯭ꯔꯥꯟꯁꯐꯔ ꯁꯥꯔꯇꯤꯐꯤꯀꯦꯠꯇ ꯐꯦꯛꯅꯤ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯑꯃꯨꯛ ꯑꯉꯥꯡꯁꯤꯡꯒꯤ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯍꯛ ꯃꯠꯄ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯒꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯒꯤ ꯐ꯭ꯌꯨꯆꯔ ꯑꯦꯀꯥꯗꯃꯤꯛ ꯀꯦꯔꯤꯌꯔꯗ ꯗꯤꯁꯇ꯭ꯔꯣꯏ ꯇꯧꯕꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯐꯝ ꯊꯣꯛꯇꯕ ꯄꯣꯠ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯅ ꯂꯧꯔꯤꯕ ꯐꯤꯔꯦꯞꯁꯦ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯑꯔꯥꯟꯕ ꯈꯣꯡꯊꯥꯡ ꯑꯃꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯀꯥꯎꯟꯁꯤꯜꯅ ꯍꯥꯟꯅ ꯃꯥꯡꯖꯧꯅꯅ ꯌꯥꯗ꯭ꯔꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯣꯛꯇꯗꯅ ꯂꯣꯡ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯣꯁꯦꯁ ꯑꯃ ꯁꯥꯡꯅ ꯆꯠꯂꯀꯥꯟꯗ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔꯤ ꯆꯅꯤ ꯍꯦꯟꯕꯔꯣꯝꯁꯦ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯩꯈꯥ ꯊꯥꯕ ꯌꯥꯅꯤ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯍꯥꯏꯗꯅ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯈꯪꯗꯅ ꯊꯝꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯇꯧꯕ ꯌꯥꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯅ ꯐꯣꯔꯝ ꯐꯤꯜ ꯑꯞ ꯇꯧꯈ꯭ꯔꯕ ꯁꯥꯇ꯭ꯔ ꯈꯨꯗꯤꯡꯃꯛ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯄꯩꯈꯥ ꯊꯥꯍꯟꯒꯗꯕꯅꯤ ꯃꯁꯤ ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏ ꯋꯥꯟ ꯇꯥꯏꯝ ꯕꯦꯁꯤꯁ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ
Northeast Dialogue Forum and New Life Foundation Bishnupur today organized a discussion on rethinking and redesigning of the criminal justice system in Manipur at Royal Academy of Law. Oinam Advocate of High Court of Manipur, Leimayum Sivananda, spoke on independent judiciary and the need of advocacy.
India si democracy chat palaipak ama oina miyam gi oiba mihut na sillaga chalaiba laipak ama oina miyam gi oiba wafum dagi laipak chalaina bagi saki phangba mihut singdu da pibo oibanina mihut singduna makoida political power si pithokraba matungda makoina moigi power si abusive oiba moongda haibidi lana sijanaraga democracy gi principles mayam sing si dismantle tonaba honor pataragadi where should the people go haibagi concepts da independent judiciary haibu wafamasi thamlambani.
A special outreach medical camp was held today at Uchekunta Kokmapal Community Hall. The camp was organized by Advance Hospital in association with Naharul Lamyan Club Uchekun under the sponsorship of Advance Healthcare Foundation. More than 187 people were treated in 8 departments and medicines were distributed free of cost. Senior orthopedic surgeon Dr. Ibomcha, who led the camp, said the camp aimed at providing treatment to villagers in the interior parts of the state. He said such camps were conducted earlier.
Advance Hospital specialist mi akhoi department nipan gi doctor sing laaga anabi yengjabani masi akhoi hospital gi outreach program amani khoina chalaga lam akhoi gi leita laira traga athapa khungang sing da chalaga health camp free health camp tawse hadaki sidana akhoi Naharul Lamyan Club kongba sida ngasi gi health camp pangthok sabani health camp si akhoi khopsang program am oina matam dogi chalaga darka oiba jaga da akhoi nam tawje.
To Assam Rifles of 9th Sector, Assam Rifles distributed furniture items for the students of Sada Lungthar Brook Junior School under Assam Rifles Military Civic Action Project 2015-16 at Lungthar village in Ukhrul today. The items were handed over to the school principal Jackson. A 12-year-old girl from Ngairangbam Awang Laikai has been missing since yesterday. The father of the girl, Thongam Rajkumar Singh of Ngairangbam Awang Laikai, Kumbong, at present Mantipukri near CRPF camp, has filed a missing report to Haingang Police Station. A 2-day lecture-cum-demonstration program on Natya Shastra began today at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy. Dr. Pappu Venugopal Rao, an expert and scholar of Natya Shastra, delivered a lecture on Natya Shastra and Yashoda Thakre performed Devdasi Nrityam on the first day today. Jain Manipur Dance Academy Vice Chairman H. Tombi said, lecture-cum-demonstration is very important to spread awareness of Manipuri dance to the mass. He also added that efforts must be put to include lecture-cum-demonstration in the syllabus of the academy.
lecture demonstration to yamna classic point man gidena ayam ayeng ba ba sing na phawa yamna ing ba takpa agi mong de ma ure ga man le ri ba idea miyam di yamna complicated oi ba luro ba of mayam di classic oi ba art di mayam phajina khang ngamri because ai lecture demonstration nei je koi karimta usi maram sidani koi nei ne aduga akoidesu akoigi satrasingdasu masi train tawhidi masi yam darkar hoy.
Birth anniversary of yesteryear star and comedian Oinam Babu was observed today at Shumanglila Sanglen Palace compound. The observance was organized by Manipur State Shumanglila Council in association with the family of the late comedian. Enok Phade play titled Vasak Laurasi was also staged on the occasion. Senior artists who once worked with Oinam Babu in Shumanglila were also felicitated at the event. Now, forcing a transgender person into beggary may soon be treated as an act of atrocity and violence against them. In a significant move, a chapter detailing a series of offences which shall be treated as atrocity and violence against transgender people has been added to the Rights of Transgender Persons Bill 2015, redrafted by the Social Justice Ministry. The offences include forcibly removing clothes of a person of the transgender community, parading them naked, or committing any act that is derogatory to human dignity, and compelling or enticing a transgender to beg or do similar forms of forced or bonded labor other than any compulsory service for public purposes imposed by government. Intentionally insulting or intimidating with intent to humiliate a transgender person in any place within public view, assaulting or using force on them to dishonor or outrage their modesty, denying the right of passage to a place of public resort, and preventing them from using such a resort which other members have a right to use or access will fall within the ambit of atrocities. A senior official of the Social Justice Ministry said the bill has been redrafted and new chapters and provisions have been included following inputs from stakeholders concerned during the pre-legislative consultation meeting held on January 19th. The bill will now be sent to Law Ministry. Now some sports news. Eastern Students Club Nong Maibung have won the 6th 57 Mountain Division Polo Tournament organized by All Manipur Horse Riding and Polo Association. In the final match played today at IMPHAL Polo Ground, Eastern Students Club Nong Maibung beat Khurai Polo Club, Club A by 4-3. BEG Pune have won the second W. Thoibi Devi Challenge Hockey Men's Open Tournament. In the final match played today at Astroturf Hockey Stadium, Kuman Lampak BEG Pune defeated SSB Lucknow by 3-1. ARC Shillong were the second runners-up in the tournament organized by Manipur Hockey. Manipur and Railways beat their rivals in the first Rani Gaidin Nilu All India Women's Invitation Football Tournament today at Kuman Lampak Main Stadium. In the first league match, Manipur trounced Bihar by 3-0. In the second league, Railways defeated West Bengal by 1-0. 7 teams are taking part in the football tournament organized by Ziliangrong Sporting Union. Odisha will meet Sikkim while Jharkhand will meet West Bengal in tomorrow's league matches. Manipur University, BRA Bihar University and Ranchi University, Jharkhand today beat their rivals in the East Zone Inter-University Women's Football Tournament held at Manipur University. In today's first league match, Manipur University beat Ranchi University Jharkhand by 2-1, while BRA Bihar University defeated Pandit RSS University by 2-0 in the second league. In the third league, Ranchi University Jharkhand beat BRA Bihar University Muzaffarpur by 2-0. Manipur University trashed Pandit RSS University by 8-1 in the fourth league match. The tournament, organized by Department of Sports Manipur University under the aegis of Association of Indian Universities New Delhi, will conclude tomorrow. Real Sagolban claimed the title of second Nilesh Wahengbam State Level Open Futsal Football Tournament. Real Sagolban Juvenile Club Tera Sapam Leirak by 5-3 in the final match. The tournament was jointly organized by Nilesh Wahengbam Memorial Trust and Usha Bhavan Club at Sagolban Sayang Pukri Mapal. Social Welfare and Cooperation Minister A.K. Mirabai, Sagolban and Khangabok MLAs R.K. Imo and Olan Dhoni presented the prizes to the winners of the tournament. Nado Zone 2 have won the Under-14 football tournament organized by Hangang Kendra Sporting Union HKSU. In the final match played at North IMPHAL Sporting Union ground at Luang Sangbam, Nado Zone 2 thrashed Nisu Zone 5 by 6-1. The 23-day Football Foundation Course 2016 held at Singjamai Vaikum Laikai concluded today. The course was organized by Vaikum Laikai Athletic Club with an aim to bring the youth generation into the ambit of sports and keep them away from drugs and intoxicants. Coaches who trained the children were also presented with gifts. In the South Asian Games, India concluded to lead the medal tally. India have so far bagged 22 gold, 8 silver and 1 bronze. Sri Lanka are in the second place with 5 gold, 15 silver and 11 bronze. Before we wind up this bulletin, let's have a look at the headlines once again. Poppy is cultivated in 20 acres of areas in reserved forests on the Baruni Hills. BJP Manipur asks what the government has done for earthquake victims in None. One-day awareness campaign for developed, peaceful and self-reliant Manipur held at Mayang IMPHAL. And cycles distributed to the minority students of Kairo Assembly constituency under multi-sector development program.